Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're having a trouble signing into your Poly AI and seeing the failed to sign in error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few troubleshooting steps to get you back on track. So, of course, you need to make sure you have a stable internet connection because sometimes connection issues can cause login problems. So, try switching from Wi Fi to mobile data or reconnecting your network. So, here, as you can see here, double check that your entering the correct username and password. If you're unsure, you can also try resetting your password by clicking on Forgot Password and follow the steps. Also, if you're using the mobile app, you can go to your device settings, find the Poly AI app, and clear its cache on the Android. This is under storage and then clear cache. So here, you can also try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. So, outdated apps can also cause sign in issues, so check for updates in your App Store. So, also, sometimes, guys, the issue might be on Poly AI's end. Check their website or social media channels for any ongoing server outage or maintenance that could be causing the problem. So, still having trouble? You can also try restarting your device. So, this can fix any temporary glitches that might be affecting your sign in process. So as you can see here, that's it. Hopefully one of the solutions work for you. If you're still stuck, reach out to Poly AI support team for further assistance. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. See you next time. For more tutorials, subscribe.